Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. This is DeegeeChef from the stables. We did a grilled spare ribs last week. Here's yet another variation. Chopped capsicum. This adds a unique, delicate pungency and enhances the quality of the marination. We add brown sugar, chopped garlic, salt, pepper, red chili flakes, tomato ketchup, orange zest, marmalade, olive oil. We bring these giant flavors together with fresh orange juice. The next step will surprise you. We now reduce this marination to a thick sauce consistency. This will allow us to further intensify all the flavors to bring a complete flavor bomb together. With the sauce done, we allow it to cool. Let's slice some peppers and oranges. We now pat dry the spare ribs and apply the cooled marination liberally on both the sides. Allow the marination to last for about 2 hours. It really helps the process. We now bake at 180 degrees centigrade for about an hour, covered with silver foil.
Putting this layer of film before the silver foil makes this super moist and keeps all the juices intact and makes sure it cooks faster and better.
And then finish it on the grill where the external crust gets really sticky and caramelized, while it is juicy and melting off the bones in the inside. I can have the whole rib just by myself. We now assemble this with the orange slices and let's dig in, guys. Wishing you all a very good winter and a fabulous year ahead.